Hello everyone, today I'm going to react to the video Tilly Bird's Retro-39 official music video. Yay! And this is their second single after White Pills. So let's check it out! I better like the video first. Retro-39. Oh! Oh. 21st. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, I love this. Oh. That's cute. Oh. Wow. Ah, be careful.
Hey, what's in your mind?
I don't know. You?
What? Yeah, no it's not.
Yes, it is.
Alright. Can you say that again?
You are on my mind, dummy.
Got it.
Oh, that's cute. That's the end. First, let's look at their comments. Okay, the first one, pinned by Jinla. Tilly Birds, rewind back to a better time. Rewind back to when you were still mine. Okay, this is Bibili's comment. Put it on Retro-39. This is Peter's comment. My phone's underwater. Oh. And this one, P Milo's comment. ไปครับทุกคนพวกเราตั้งใจมาก Yeah, I know that. Actually, I wait for the album as well. Let me talk about the overall song. I think I love this one more than White Pills. It's kind of more fun. Even though you have a heartbreak or you cannot move on, but you can still enjoy every moment when you think about it. It's really cool to see them make this kind of song as well. Yeah, like it's more chill. And with the melody or instrument, I think it suits the Retro-39 quite well. Actually, in their Instagram live, they told about in this music video they will have a lot of Easter egg in it. I'm not sure how much I found it, but I really enjoy watching this music video. Or maybe I should look at the collection of the cassette tape. Okay, let's look at that. Most of them are first time, first thing, like first meal, first trip, first pet, first kiss. Oh wait, the last day as well? Oh, that's hurt. Anyway, I love how they appear in this music video. Let me replay it again. Raw mellow head, the birds. The curl, always Billy hit. Oh. And Peter as David Bowie. Some favorite scene. I love this one too. Even though they are the different artists, but they were put together. Yeah. I love how they react differently in this scene as well. Yeah, and I have to replay it 3 times just to see each of the members' expression. I just cannot look at it once. Yeah. I don't want to miss anything here. For the storyline of this music video, I think they're cute too. Like, I have no wonder why the guy really can move forward. I love how Tilly Birds cheer up the guy at the end too. Yeah, that's so cute and really supportive.
Hey.
And I'm glad that it turned out well. But I don't know that they're actually return or not. Because this might be something that they just replay it on Retro-39. Yeah. I don't know if I say it right or not. They look good in retro outfits. Yeah, I love it. And I know that Pete that directed this music video as well. He did so well in everything, like his vocal, his music skill, and now his directing. Yeah, I'm so proud. Lastly, I don't have anything much, but please stream this music video or the music in the streaming. And please wait for Tilly Bird's new English album. I don't have anything now. Goodbye.